Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to add a password using web link. Whenever you are on a page and you are asked to log in or you have an account on the page, now at that particular time you are browsing, your information has been saved to that particular section, and hackers can get those information whenever you click on a link in which they will use to direct you to another place and then fetch your information. And in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to do that on web. So please subscribe to my channel, click on the notification button, like my To get started, I need to click on the Kick Web Server and then get it running. Okay, now I can then minimize the application and then click on Unwriter Free to start writing my codes. Here is a blank page, so I don't need to start typing anymore, so I just need to paste and then paste. So I have welcome back username, find your phone contact here, click here to get $300 cash. So I need to create the username and password for this section the user will be browsing on. So this information will be invisible to the user, but they are active. So I'll start by creating the PHP environment. So by creating the PHP environment, sit down question mark PHP. I'll then come down, close the environment. So I need to create the username variable. Not on America, but uname, that is username, equals to Hampire official, and then I close it. So I have to create the password also by creating the password variable password pwd equals to, let me create something secure like my girl's name. It's kind of secure, so nobody will easily get this password. So my girl's name is, okay, let me close it, and then I need to save. But before I save, I need to change the username over there to the variable, to the username variable, so that whenever the user loads the page, it will automatically get the username from the username variable. So I'll create the PHP environment and then equal the username variable. Equal the username variable, and then close. Okay, now I can, no, but before I save, let me update the href of the ad, and then so the page I want to direct the information to is the arc.php page, in which I have not created, but I'll put it to complete this page as arc.php, and then taking password, that is what am I sending to the page. I'm sending taking password equals to equal password. So equal password, no, not username, password pwd. So I have to close it. No, not pwd. I have to close and then close the environment. So everything is complete. I can now save. And so I need to find the AC docs environment directory. So because that is where we save our PHP files. So and then I will create a folder called arc web, and then okay. Now instead of saving our file with instead of index.html, so simply save it with index.php. So and then save. Now I have a complete page, so I need to view it on my browser. So let's try from here. Open in browser. Error. Open in browser. Okay, that means it cannot open PHP file, so I need to go and start my server, and then start my server, and I click on the internet icon and select open with Opera. So I have localhost 8080. Here we go. So I need to edit the URL with the name of our folder. So the arc web. So I have to go. And here we go. We have welcome back Hampire official. Find, there was even a mistake there. Find your contact here and the act. Click here to get $300 cash. Okay, so let me click on the ad, and we'll get an error page because we have not created the arc.php, but the URL is correct since we have the password showing on the URL. So I just need to go back to my handwriter and then create the arc.php. So a blank page once again, and then create a new file. Okay, and then start by creating a PHP environment. Okay, and then I have to close it down here. So I have to create a variable for the taking password. So let's call the variable arc password so as not to complicate things. So arc password is equals to taken password get taken password, so that is get the information from the link, get taken password, taking password. So I have to close it and then come down and then equal the arc password, and then I need to save into the htdoc directory, same directory, htdocs, here it is, and the arc web, and then save it as arc.php because that's what we are using already. PHP, then save. So something is not arc it is arc password, so that I can save again and then go back to my browser. And we have local host arc web. So now I need to click on the ad, click here to get $300 cash, and then here it is. Now you can make something professional of this to direct the information to like a database and then redirect the user back. So thanks for watching.